In today's video, I'm going to show you Hopper versus Google Flights. When comparing Hopper and Google Flights, both help you find cheap airfare, but they take different approaches to searching and booking flights. Hopper focuses heavily on predicting price trends using its algorithm to advise whether you should buy now or wait based on historical data, which it claims to be about 95% accurate for future pricing forecasts. This predictive focus aims to help users book at the best possible moment and can include push alerts when prices change. In addition to flights, Hopper also lets you search for hotels and rental cars within the same app. Google Flights, by contrast, acts mainly as a powerful flight search engine that aggregates current prices from airlines and travel agencies and displays them in an easy to navigate interface. It does not usually book flights directly. Instead, it redirects you to the airline's or agency's website to complete the purchase. Google Flights includes tools like flexible date views, price graphs, and trend insights that show if a fare is low or high compared to historical averages. Recent features even aim to tell you the best time to book based on trends and may offer a price guarantee in certain markets. One key difference is in booking and features. Hopper's app allows you to book directly within the platform and may offer credits, carrot cash, or a short-term refund if prices drop shortly after booking. Google Flights won't handle the purchase itself, but gives broad context, filter tools, and search flexibility without requiring an account. Its Explore map and calendar view can help you find cheaper travel dates or alternative destinations. In practical terms, Hopper can be a more hands-on, predictive travel advisor, especially useful if you want alerts and guidance on the timing of purchases, while Google Flights is a robust, fast search tool that helps you quickly compare many airline options and spot deals before you book on the airline's own site. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.